Right, this is an example as good as you will find for its age, price and mileage for one of these Range Rovers. D350 HSE in Santorini black with the all-important Polino interior and again added specification. On a 73, this car's done 19,000 miles. It's a one owner from new car, full Land Rover service history in an absolutely stunning condition. You'll notice from the exterior that it has the Shadowline pack with the 23-inch wheels. For me, a must on one of these cars. This is exactly how I'd want my car to be. Then we've got sliding roof, deployable tow bar and refrigerator as additional features. The car is in a beautiful order. The interior is stunning. And the HSE spec giving you Meridian 3D surround system, head-up display, heated and ventilated front and rear seats. It's the newer model release for the car. So again, you'll see the seamless center console there, climate control put into the bigger screen. And just a wonderful car to drive, the D350 giving you that little bit of extra power when needed, soft closed doors, and the ability to pull effortlessly in one of these cars, fitted with the additional option of that deployable tow bar. It is really, really a fantastic option if you're looking to get one of these cars. A magnificent saving from new, giving you the additional features like the deployable tow bar. Coming out now, there we go. Assisted tailgate. Fantastic space and luxury options throughout in one of these cars. The all-wheel steering giving you handling capabilities and also maneuverability in tight spaces that the old Range Rover wouldn't have been able to do because it was such a cumbersome car. But now with the all-wheel steering, like I've said, they do handle very well and they do maneuver very well. Heated and ventilated rear seats. The top of the doors aligned in leather. We've got the switchable ambient light. And the sound system as well, all important in any car, but you know, you want the good sound system, the stereo. The Meridian 3D provides you with that, absolutely. Keyless entry and keyless start. The car comes with adaptive cruise control with blind spot assist and lane assist. And again, just a stunning condition. So if you're interested in this car, you can call us on the number on the screen, or you can call me. Cars like this don't hang around long here because we're pricing them to the market according to the age relation, the mileage specification, and a one owner from new car like this with this level of bits and bobs on it doesn't come around very often. So again, we're looking at interior spec over and above. Well, it comes standard in HSE with the head up and the heated wheel and the adaptive cruise and the lane assist and a wonderful steering wheel. Duotone dash, or black top dash. We've got the Polino mid dash and duotone steering wheel. Options in this car. Refrigerator, I love that, especially in the summertime, putting your drinks in. We have the sliding roof, of course, an option. And then we have this, which is the clever little clear sight camera situated in the area at the back of the car. It doesn't stop there because we have wireless phone charging pad just situated under here. And then we have usable features every day, reversing camera, top view camera, 3D camera, which is fully surround view, like so, and the towing camera because we have the factory deployable tow bar. Smartphone integration, again, wireless, loads of four-wheel drive and terrain settings and different cool features you can do with this car. Switchable ambient light. It's a very, very, very good car in its additional features, but its condition, its ownership, and of course, its service history. Not to mention the colour combination with Santorini black and the Polino interior. This is got the desirable factors that you would want on one of these cars. It's going on the website now at a fantastic price. Thanks for watching.